Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is the next installment of Close to My Heart, the new catalog that will be going out starting January to April 2019. And look how gorgeous this catalog is. All rose gold, tons and tons of new product, okay? So this is the new catalog. If you're wanting one, message me, comment down below, and I will definitely reach out to you. I am only available in the United States. However, if you're in a different country, just comment down below, and depending on what country you're in, I can totally work with you. That's not an issue. So I'm going to go over some of the new packets. So I ended up getting 3 of the new styles. One of them is the launch kit that I was able to get, and I'm going to start with that first. So the papers for this is called Something Fierce, and it is all about dinosaurs. So I'm just going to go over the papers, give you the look through. That's that. Now for me, this particular one isn't a collection. I would have personally a harder time to use, but there are some amazing pieces in here. If you have younger children, it would be perfect. These are little dinosaur feet. That still love dinosaurs and all of that kind of stuff. This ombre paper is gorgeous. I do love that. And this is kind of like a geometric style. And these are arrows. And then these are all, this totally can be a girl, a boy, it doesn't matter. I know it says dude, but I say dude. There's dinosaurs, pizzas, ice cream on here, bikes. It's pretty cool. And then that blue. Like I said, this can be definitely a boy and a girl. Now, the cool thing about what Close to My Heart has decided to do this time around is they did a cut-apart sheet. So instead of the typical 4x6 or 3x4 cutout sheets that they have, they did cut-aparts instead. So now all of these can be fussy cut out. And you do still get 2 sheets, and then they're both still the same. So you still are able to get that option. Now, this is that collection. And I also got with this came with my kit that they were able to send out early for me to go over and make it look like it. And this is just ribbon. I don't know if it'll show. No, it won't. But it's just white ribbon. And this is one of the newer ones. It's Years of Sweetness Occasions. And it's all about cake. And there's the product code if you're looking for it. Along with this, and all of this stuff goes together. Now, along with this, they changed their stickers. Now, instead of getting them in like this size, they now have turned it into a 6x12. So this is the sticker sheet, and these are like washi tapes just like you did before. And then these are like the chipboards without the thickness of it. It's still the same consistency, but they gave you a full 6x12 sheet instead of 2 separates. And these are the compliments to Something Fierce. And I'll get close to that so you can see that. Okay. And then these are the coordinating cardstock colors that are also in the kit. So I got 3 blues, 3 reds, 3 grays, and then the 3 greens. And that's the coordinating cardstock. If you're wanting the colors to this, just let me know. Comment down below. I can definitely help you out with that as well. So that is one kit that I got. And then the second kit, I'm going to skip this one for a second. So the second kit is going to be I Heart This. Now this kit, oh my Lanta. This reminds me of the kit that is the new Pink Paisley one from Paige Evans. The colors match it perfectly. I've actually looked at it together, and it is stunning. So this is called I Heart This. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And look at that. It is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Polka dots. More polka dots and triangles. Oh, I just love this. Oh man. And this is, I decided to do something a little bit different. I got the paper kits, and I will show you what the kits look like if you decide to do the actual scrapbooking kit. This time I just decided to get the papers. And these are hearts. Look how gorgeous they are. And there's the cut apart sheet. Isn't that stunning? Look at all these that you can fussy cut. Look at that rainbow. Oh. Okay, so that's the papers. And then I also got the sequins. So there's that number. And the sequence mix, oh, they're even just as stunning. And the one thing I love about these sequence mixes over other ones, now, don't get me wrong. If you follow my channel long enough, you know I love my sequence. But I do love the fact that these come already glued together. So let me see. There we go. There are the three colors. They're stunning. And they already have this sticky on them. That's what I like about our sequence. Okay, and then the compliments. Again, they did the same thing, and these here are, got your cut apart sheets and your stickers, and the same consistency. It's still that chipboard without the chipness. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Oh, do I love this. I'm the luckiest. So much love. My whole world. I absolutely love this. And look at these. Oh my gosh. Just stunning. You are so loved. I love them. So those are the compliments. Let me see if, there we go. There's that number. And again, these are good from now, January 1 till April 30th, 2019. Okay, now this kit. Oh, this kit. It is everything I wanted it to be and all that much more. So I'm going to start with the stamp. I got the stamp with it, and look how stunning this is. Our family is a little bit crazy and a whole lot of love. Happy, happy, the simple life. Love lives here, and then love. Look at this ring. Oh, a little moments. Let's stay home. I absolutely love this. So that's one of the stamps to this set. And then they did some chipboards that are watercolored. These are watercolor. You can watercolor them. So there is what that's called, Feels Like Home watercolor die cuts. There's the number. And they're thin watercolored base, but they're die cuts and they're cut out. And you can do whatever you want. These are the sets you get. And it's still pretty thick for a chipboard too. But you can color them whatever color you want. Isn't that stunning? Oh, I love it. Okay, and then the compliments. Again, it's the same thing. So here's your cut aparts. Look how gorgeous is this. Look at that. Oh, farmhouse, those colors. Vintage, love this. They love picture perfect. And then here are the stickers. Oh my gosh, look at this. And so together they build a life they love. This is us, our story, home sweet home. You could totally family pictures. You could do a heck of a lot with this. Just your everyday moment photos. Whatever you may feel like it on it. Okay, so that's the compliments and the stamps and the chipboard. And here's the paper. Oh, absolutely stunning. Stunning. Okay, so here is page number 1 in the back, A and B. Oh, look at that. Here is, look at that vintage. Oh, it is just simply stunning. Oh, this is calling Fussy Cutting Miranda. Fussy cut, fussy cut. Oh, yes. And then your journaling tab, if you want to do it that way. And there is this. Now, this here is a wood grain. It's a very faint wood grain, but I absolutely love it. It's like beach, like a beachy style wood grain. Look at these colors. Oh my good gosh. And these are plus signs, just to let you know. Oh, look at this cut apart. Oh, and you get 2 again. And then there's polka dots. Okay, so that is 3 out of the 4 new kits that they have. Now, the 4th kit I will show you, but it'll have to be in my book because I want to show you guys. So the other kit that I did not get yet, which is called So Much Happy. And there's the color codes. It's very bright. Okay. Now, this is what they have changed. Now, the scrapbooking kit, I wanted to show you guys this. So what they come with it now is the paper pack, the complements, cardstock. Everything's the same. Now they added 4 memory top loading protector sheets. So if you do not have an album or any of that sort, now it comes with the protective sheets. That is awesome. And so this is like 1 kit, and then you get a discounted price. And then if you decide to do, like, say, the deluxe, here's the deluxe. So now you get all of this, plus they also give you a stamp set. You can do it in 2 different ways. So you have it this way, but then you can do it this way, which has everything. Or if you didn't want the stamp and thinlits, which I'm going to show you this set. I did get that set. You can take it down. So now they include all of that. So that is awesome. Plus the memory protective sheets, they make it so that you can do Project Life if you choose as well. So that's what they have done differently. So now all of the scrapbooking kits, the deluxe or the regular, comes with the protective sheets as well. And it shows you the discounted price on all of them. So that is what's the other collection. Now, I have gotten a few new stamp sets. Look how stunning this is. Look at this. This is the pegboards, and look at the little things. Now, that you could archival on this and make this white, whatever the case may be. It is simply stunning. Well, I'll show you the number quick. That's new. And it's big and thick. It's awesome. And then the other one that I got, I just loved what these are. And it says, so blessed, just a note. You make me happy, love. It's the little things. You're the best. Thanks. Hello. You brighten my day. Let's celebrate thinking of you. So that's also a new one. And the last but not least, this is also a new collection. And this is a 3-step, if I remember correctly, 2-step. 2-step. This is a 2-stepper. So you stamp this and then you stamp this. So it's a 2-step, but look how gorgeous those butterflies are. And then I also got the die cut so I can be able to cut them out. And this is with the kit, with everything. And then they do also sell just the stamps as well if you don't want the thinlits. They still have the stamp of the month. Yeah, it's just not wanting to go in. They still have the stamp of the month. They're absolutely gorgeous. So If you're wanting a catalog or wanting any of this product, all of my information will be linked down below. Make sure you also comment if you're wanting a catalog. I will definitely kick it out. This is good. Again, like I said, available January through April of 2019. And I hope to talk to you soon. Bye!